Aloha, Patrick Franta here at the Villa Group, and I'm really excited today to share with you our newest listing, 15 Nalu Place, located right in the center of Paia Town. We are walking distance to all the amazing amenities Paia has to offer, from the shopping, dining, surf shops, and not to mention the beach right at our back door. Now this house is truly incredible. We've got 5 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, about 1,800 square feet of living space in here, and it's split up into 2 separate areas. Upstairs we have the 3-bed, 2-bath main kitchen, amazing ocean views, and downstairs we have an additional 2 beds and 2 baths. Let's check it out.
Yeah.